Welcome to 217 3rd Avenue South in the town of Vulcan. This bungalow was built in 1958 and is just over 1,100 square feet in size. You've got parking off Main Street. And I'll take you around to the back. Now it's fenced on both sides, but not fenced at the back. The old fence was encroaching and it was not in great shape, so they took it down. So the new owner, you could put up a new fence if you want, possibly a garage, or just have a huge garden. Lots of garden area back here. Some nice view from the back alley. This is a view from the south. Nice big windows. The windows are older. But you'll see once we go inside, it's been very well taken care of. It's a nice clean house. Sorry, I'm just step inside. There's a little area to kick off your shoes. And we'll go on up. So this is a nice sitting area, or it could be the dining area. Wood burning stove off the back deck. Ceiling fan. I could say, check out the backyard. And kitchen. So with fridge, stove, built-in dishwasher. Newer cabinetry. That was just done recently, in the past few years. And then we go into the living room. The front door entrance, closet space. And off to the left, you have a full bathroom. And we have 3 bedrooms on the main level. Bedroom number 1. Remember, this is built in the 1950s. There's not huge closets, as you see in the newer homes, but you know, there still are 3 bedrooms. This one actually has 2 closets. Here and here. And the 3rd bedroom, this faces the north. So 3 bedrooms on the main level, 1 full bathroom. Good sized living room. And kitchen. See, with wood burning stove here. And the deck, you could finish off how you like. Finish putting up some railing there, or maybe you'd want to expand it a little bit. You certainly have a good sized backyard to do that. Now we'll take you down to the basement. Now with the age of the house, one thing I have to mention, it sure has been clean and well kept. Once again, for the age, the ceilings are high. I mean, I'm just over 6 feet tall, and I've still got lots of room. And it doesn't smell like an old musty basement. Now, there's shelving here that can stay. Hot water tank. Furnace. There's a room here that we've classified as a bedroom. And here we have the family room. There's wallpaper on the sides. That's easy enough to take down and put your own touches on if you like. And I'll take you back upstairs. So just to review, it's listed at $174,900. Just over 1,100 square feet in size. 3 bedrooms on the main level, 1 in the basement, and 1 full bathroom. Now, if you have any further questions about this property, you can visit us on our website at www.magnusonrealty.com. You can contact me through on my cell at 403-633-2222. Text or call, or at the office at 403-485-6901. Now remember, if the people you've been isolating with are getting on your nerves and you need to move on, I am a realtor. Ha ha ha. So stay safe, everyone, and have a great day.